What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we're here at Bribey Island, because I'm an island boy. Wait. Whoa, bro, where's the hook?
You ripped it off, remember?
Oh, shit. So, just getting our stuff out of the car, mate. Oh, can you grab the sinkers inside the car? It's underneath the radio thing. Sorry. Oh. So we're just getting our whiskey out and whatnot. No, you can leave that in the car. I don't need it. Did I put the... oh. Chuck that in, yeah. It's our cast net. Okay, I got your rod. Lock the car. Alright, let's go. Hey? Bro, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I want to go down to the water first so we can have a look at the water. Bro, it's nice today, man. How beautiful it is. So today, what? Yeah. Playing music. So today we're going to be fishing off the jetty here at Bribey. Go down to the water, get some water shot. Hey mate, how you going? Good. I don't even know if I bring the hooks. My hooks. Guys, look how beautiful this view is. Oh, true. Yeah, they did too. Yeah, I know. I can see it. Now, our aim, we're trying to find some mullet. Mullet or herring. I just seen a flatty in the water. Guys, look, they've done like a walkway right across.
They're probably going to get rid of this one.
Yeah. So we'll scope it out. I think we're cooked. There's no bait. Soft plastics it is, eh? There is bait down there, but it's like bony brim. And don't want bony brim.
Maybe over there or not?
He
snagged or on?
No, I think he's on.
Yeah. Yeah, he's on. Big fish.
There it?
Yeah,
Marker?
big fish. Yeah. Oh no, it's little. Little brim.
Alright, I reckon we're gonna put a soft plastic on until we see bait fish, and then we'll probably switch up, cast the net. We might even walk along the sandbank and flick for flatties. Alright, so we're gonna set up our jig head.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. I don't even know.
Yeah, take this.
I don't have a jig head. Bro, I don't even have hooks. What happened to all my stuff? No. I think it's in the car. Damn it, I'm cooked. I've got to get bait.
Can I stop?
Yeah. Alright, so change of plans. We're going to head off to the main beach, woorim. And we're going to try and fish off off the sand shore, off the shore, sorry. Cannot find bait at all. Alright guys, so we're pretty much got here. We're just going to set up our soft plastics. Just rigging up. So I've got one done here. So we're going to try the gulp chicken head, nuke chicken today. Got all our gear with no idea. Have you got the keys? Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna cast this cunt out. What? Holy shit, it's cold. Alright, we're gonna try and get it out there. Nice. Slow retrieve back in. Well, I'll be happy if I catch one fish, man. Just one fish, please. Peace. Out there, baby. One fish, please. It's actually a nice day today. Beautiful day today. Eesh. Surely there'll be a tailor in here. Tailor or flatty. Eesh. Put down in the comment section if my technique is correct. Slow winding back in on a prawn soft bait. I'm not really I don't really fish land based. I normally just fish off the boat. So put down in the comment section if my technique is correct. Doing a slow wind retrieve. So I'm not sure. Oh, I've got a hit. I've got a hit. Oh my gosh, I got a hit, I had a hit, bro. Unless it was seaweed. Surely that was a hit. Big wave, big wave. I've never done this type of style of fishing before, so this is new to me. Never fished off the shore. Oh, got a hit, got a hit. No. That was definitely a hit. Beautiful day today, man. Up the pants it goes. Right. Right, that wave hooked me. Still no hits, still no bites, still no takers. Don't even know if I'm bloody doing it right. Alright, I think that's it, eh? No fish. No fish, no bites. Nothing at all. Nope. Oh, yep, we're gonna head off home. Bub, look at the mist is all sandy.
Huh?
The mist is all sandy, mate. Alright, so no luck. I'm the worst fisherman to fish ever on the shore. Let's go. So we're gonna head off now. Didn't catch anything. No bites, but I will be back. So I really want to catch a fish off the shore, eh? Never caught one before offshore, so that's one goal I'd like to do and accomplish. Oh shit! But yeah, have a look at this view. Bloody beautiful. Over there in the distance is Morton Island. Is that right? Morton Island, eh?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's there. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but that's Morton Island in the distance. Good fishing up there. So yeah, we're gonna head home and go have something to eat. And yeah, is there taps up there to wash your feet? There's no taps. Oh my gosh, bro. It's like, you know what this feels like? The Stairmaster. Been nice having a house right on the beach here. Millionaire things. Bro, I'm gonna cook my car. Look at my feet. Sand all over the car. Oh my gosh, I just dropped my rod reel in the sand. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Sorry I didn't catch any fish, but yeah, next time. We'll be back next time. I'll be back at the same spot. I might even try bait next time. See if we can catch fish on bait. But yeah, alright then. We'll see you guys in the next video. You.